Hello, Professor. When practicing my voiceover as I was going to be using with my microphone, it was not working, so right now I'm just going to be recording the sample video they give and speaking. So, Bitcoins by Sophia Beauvais, EME 2040. So when you imagine a Bitcoin, you have to imagine it being a form of cyber currency that is used through the currency being a Bitcoin. Bitcoins, according to the Bitcoin website, can be explained as coins using peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks. Managing transactions and the issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively by a network. So Bitcoins can be viewed on three levels. They can be viewed on the individual level, the business level, and the developer's level. So when viewing Bitcoins on an individual level, this can be through uses like mobile phones for payments, and it is used for the transactions of QR codes, which is a secure method if you practice safe, secure walleting when you always change your Bitcoin address. Bitcoins also have military-grade cryptography that can help protect your money as long as you practice your data safely. When applying it on a global scale, Bitcoins can be used internationally, avoiding banking 3 days wait time, which leaves the customers with the choice of how fast they want their data be sent. A $1 Bitcoin can be sent in the same amount of time as $100,000 Bitcoins. So when used on the business level, businesses have the same choices as individuals with choosing their fees for how fast they want their Bitcoins to be sent and their security aspects. But it also can increase their customer viewing because of the broadening of their currencies by accepting Bitcoins. Bitcoins also leave the customers with a multi-signature aspect, which means that businesses need multiple Bitcoin addresses to approve of a transaction. All transactions on Bitcoin should be transparent because they practice blockchaining, which is when they can track each account transaction. When viewing Bitcoins on the developer aspect, Bitcoins are meant to be completely simple because of the use of their QR codes. It avoids paying with credit cards and the security questions because Bitcoins are meant to be secure. It also leads for the customer to make choices on whether they want to be a third-party API for how they develop or if they want to be their own banking, which can lead to their decisions on how they address their invoices and how they address their security and how they develop. But Bitcoins on a developer's aspect base their security on the client side with the blockchaining, the protection of military grade, and the practice of safe, secure wallets. All of my source information came from the bitcoinwebsite.org. Thank you for viewing.